Hi guys, welcome to yet another video, and in this video we are going to talk about social media organic strategies to get more clients and more buyers for your product or service. Hi guys, so in this video we'll talk about organic marketing strategies, and I am going to give you 5 strategies that work like charm and 5 ways that you can get organic clients using organic marketing, right? So these are the 5 platforms and 5 places through which you can get organic clients. The first is Facebook. That means finding people on Facebook so that you can send them a message in order to close them for your particular thing. Second is LinkedIn. That means you can get clients on LinkedIn by actually targeting the people that you actually want and again sending them a message. The third way is basically cold email, right? That means you use cold emailing to get customers. In this video, we'll also do maths. That means we'll do proper maths after your conversion rates, and you'll see how much money you can actually make through these all strategies if combined. Then we have cold email. You basically send mails to people in order to get you the thing that you want to sell. Fourth is basically Facebook groups. That means using your internal group. That means internal. That means you have your own group and people are joining it and you close clients from there, or having an external group. That means going into other groups and finding clients. And then fifth, and the last one is basically YouTube. That means posting content on YouTube consistently in order to show your content so that you can get leads or sales directly from YouTube. Like it's that easy, right? So you can use these 5 strategies again and again to get more customers. Now let's talk about how to use them and when to use them, right? Let's say before going into this, the first thing you need to be clear is about what's your message and what is the conversion ratio of your message. Like how does your message converts? For example, we have seen that if we send a particular message on Facebook, it converts at 20%. That means 20% people book the call. In cold emails, it's basically 10% around, and on YouTube, it's like the number of leads that we get after the link clicks. The landing page conversion rate is 30%. So it depends on different platforms, but you need to know your conversion rates. On an average, I can say this is around total 20%, right? On an average, I convert at 20%. Number of leads, not sales, right? And for sales, we convert at 40%. So all the people who become leads book a call with us. So that's the second process. And from there, we have 40% conversion rate. Number of people who book the call from us, you can say 10%, let's say, for example, right? So 20% give leads, 10% of them book the call, and 40% of them get closed. So coming to this thing, Facebook. So you basically use Facebook. You find the exact people that you want. You send them a message. Hey, I do this, this, this. Hey, what is your business about? Blah blah blah. Right. So you're using organically Facebook to send messages to people in order to convert them. Right. Let's say you're sending 20 messages a day. Right. Let's get to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is all the same process. You find the people, you send them a message, and you're sending 20 messages a day. Cold emails. I have a cold emailing system that is working for me. So we send around 2 to 300 emails every single day. But you can start off by sending 20 a day, right? Find emails of people that are good fit for you. Find the niche, what problem you are solving, and what is the solution you give. Combine these three to create a message, and then use this message in all of these things, right? So you're sending 20 a day. And then Facebook groups. Let's say you are posting once a day, and on YouTube you are posting once a week, right? In these two things, and these are all doable, like very doable things. 20 message sending is not a big deal every day, and posting something one time in a day is not a big deal, like making a video of 1 minute or 2 minutes and sending, and having a good quality YouTube video just like this every week is not a big deal, right? So these are not very high working things, but can easily be done, right? So let's say you're posting one video a week, you post four a month, and you get around, let's say, 1,000 views in the start. And in those 1,000 views, um, let's say people 100 people click on the link in the description if you give a CTA, and 20 people, you have a 20% conversion rate. So 20 people become leads over here. So you're getting 20 leads a month from here. You're posting once a day. You would be getting around 50 views a day. Um, let's say 20 leads a month approximately. You're sending 20 messages a day. We convert at 20%. So these are basically 600 a month. 20% of 600 is 120 leads, right? 120 leads every month. Same 120, same 120. Let's count the number of leads every month you're getting. So it's 120, 120, 360, 400. So you're getting 400 leads per month, right? I'm creating a whole strategy for you right now. So you're getting 400 leads per month, right? The number of people who book the call are 10%. People who come on a call to understand what do you sell, it's 40 every month by using all these things. And this is very doable. You can scale this to 100. You can scale this to 500 easily, right? You can scale this to, you can increase the number of groups to 30 groups and post 2 times a day, no problem. You can start posting 7 videos a week, no problem, right? So you can scale these things. These are all organic things and you can scale them. So 400 leads a month, you get 40 calls a month, and after that you have a 40% conversion rate, right? Let's say 40 is even higher, you get a 20% conversion rate. That's 8 people, 8 sales every month. And let's say you have a 10,000 per month offer, INR. That's a very basic offer. It's 80K per month. At very minimum you're making 80K per month after this being 20%, right? Taking the bad numbers, and at that time you're having like 80K per month, right, from the first month itself. So this is what the organic marketing strategy looks like. You have 5 platforms. Don't go with 5 all of them. Start with one, then shift to another ones. Then you have different ways to communicate. You communicate, you find your niche. What problem are you solving of the niche? What is solution? For example, restaurant owners double their booking, right? Reservations. Solution is Facebook ads. So your message will be PPP, people problem promise. I help restaurant owners who are not able to get a lot of bookings. People problem promise to double their bookings in next 8 weeks, whatever, right? So you have something like this, a message. You see how the message is converting. If the message is not converting, you try to increase this conversion rate, so that your message converts. You try to iterate, change the problem, change the promise, change the people, kind of iterate it, change niche, problem, and solution. Once you get a perfect message which is converting at a good percentage, then you basically scale it using all these marketing strategies. If you see the numbers, you are having 400 leads a month, 40 calls a month. At a very bad conversion rate, you are having 8 sales a month. At a very bad offer, which is 10K per month, you can increase this thing, right? So it's 80K per month just using organic. Okay, now if you liked this video, then I want you to not subscribe the channel. Don't subscribe the channel. I want you to check out another video. Check out all the content that I've posted, and if you find value, then click on the subscribe button, because if you have liked this conversation, then I can guarantee, my friend, that you will like other videos as well. I continue to post videos on marketing, sales, consulting, and everything, so that you can get more clients for your business. Click the link below for watching more videos, or you can check out more videos over here or on the screen on the right or the left, anywhere. But check out more videos, get to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.